at gorgeous TV station, the best TV station ever. I'm Natango Immaculate, your host today. With me in the studio, I'm having special visitors for the national talk about the International Women's Day. Before I go any further, our dear viewers, allow me to introduce them to you. On my extreme right, I have Honorable Betty Namboze, the Minister of Mukono Municipality, the MP of Mukono Municipality. Next to her is the Queen of Buganda, Nabagele Kaslivia Najinda. Unfortunately, we were supposed to have the First Lady, but because of some state duties, she wasn't able to come, and so she sent a representative, and that is none other than the Resident Director of Gombe Education Service, Ms. Rosaline Chewalabi. On my extreme left, I have Madam Jennifer Musisi, the former KCCA Executive Director. Next to her is Amelia Chambadi, the Trade Industries and Cooperatives. Lastly, on my immediate left, we have a great woman, and that is none other than the Speaker of the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, Honorable Rebecca Kadaga. To begin with, Honorable Amelia Chambadi. What is nowadays like you told us that you're working in trade, right? What has improved? What has improved the economy of Uganda and the world at large in economy according to women? Please tell us more.
Thank you, our dear moderator of today, the Right Honorable Speaker, the delegate from the First Lady's office, the honorable MPs, and the viewers of today. Good afternoon to you. Like you heard before, I am Amelia Chambade, the Minister of Trade, the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives. We are all here gathered to hear or see who our woman is and what is her importance or why she should be recognized as a person of glory. Women are like men. Women have also increased on the rate of production in different industries, which has really boosted trade. When you move or travel around the country, especially in the different trading sectors, small businesses support their low-class people and small-scale productions, like in agriculture, surely which has supported a big population, but this is commonly done by women. Therefore, women should be created as great support to the economy of Uganda. Thank you. I wish you a happy and nice Women's Day.
Thank you so much to have Honorable Betty Namboze. What has been changed? When the women entered the participation of politics that wasn't there before.
Thank you, moderator, the protector observe, and the viewers at large. A good afternoon to you all. I am the Real Betty Namboze Vachideki. The politics of Uganda today would not be that interesting if women were not participating in it. First of all, women are very many in number, meaning that we make a large number of voters. See how miserable it would be for a large number of women voting only one man into power who would not always consider the issues of a woman. Secondly, we all know that a mother is one that takes much care of children, meaning you leave out a woman, you will have left out children. Therefore, the participation of women in politics has greatly improved the well-being of children. Actually, I sometimes wonder why some men, when looking for votes, will always tremble on a woman's name, forgetting we are bound to bring harmony in the nation. We are the mothers, and every mother knows how to handle her children. In fact, we should be the only leaders in the nation because we bring harmony to the nation. And I know when women come together, we will solve the corrupt and all political issues in this nation. As I wind up politically, women are the answers to this corrupt world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Betty Namboze, for that good message given to our viewers today. Next, we're going to Madame Jennifer Musisi. You're one of the ladies that has created an impact in Kampala City. Can you give us a take of women and how you compare them with the men, most especially those that you work with?
Thank you very much, our beloved moderator. Protocol observed. Good afternoon to you all. To begin with, as we all know,
My fellow ladies, I thank you and the ladies out there for the great work you are doing to uplift the nation. As you know, we have more single mothers than single fathers. I myself made up an organization to support children, guide them in whatever they do as they grow up. No matter what happens, as mothers, we have to do whatever it needs us